welcome back to my channel. There was some few updates I made on my Windows 11 emulator, so let's test it. And there you go. Now there's a cursor. Press this to restart, and there's some bugs, so you might have to click the flag button to clear out the things. So if you click this, it opens Microsoft Edge, the one I made. So if you type in T, it just does the word T. When you press the left arrow, it just removes it. So when you click this, it just closes it, just like Windows 10. See? So see, there's some bugs, and there you go. There you go. And I'm going to add Microsoft Edge on the taskbar. So when you click this, it would show up Microsoft Edge. So I think there's one thing that I just made, which is open Microsoft Edge. So let's try. Yep, it does. So that's the Microsoft Edge. When you click this, which is this, it just says random things. So let's add the File Explorer window. So first I just need to do this, and then this, and then this, and let's just do a like File Explorer light box. Bruh, I need a yellow. Nearly yellow. Bruh. Bruh. When you call, bruh. Bruh, just spread like. Now the others. Bruh. There you go. Yeah. There you go. That's the Fire Explorer. So let's make the Fire Explorer window. So let's just make it empty, blank, black. There we go. And we need the text just like this. So we need to make it white. There we go. File Explorer. There you go. So this is the File Explorer window. So there you go. It's done. So let's see how it works. Okay. When Windows okay, I'm going to add something. There you go. That's like real Windows 10, 11. So there you go. We're going to add something. Make it this. And then this. So let's add text. And this one. X. Bruh. Delete. Delete. Something else. No. Yeah. Yep. There we go. X. There we go. So, move it here and move this. Bruh. Move this here and move this here. So, okay, open File Explorer. So, we added this, so, it's empty. So, when this pressed, which is the flag, hide. When this right click, on. On.